To change the custom notification sound in Redmi Note 15 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to move down, and here we want to find the sound and vibration. Select it and navigate to the notifications. Click on it, then you can choose local ringtone. Don't worry about the ringtone name, as it will basically be any sound that you like. Now there's three options. You can use recorder files, which you've recorded yourself, as a notification sound. You can go to audio files if you have any, and then also use them to pick a different sound for your notification sound. And you can also go for a music files and or audio files or whatever. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.